Welcome to Cooking with Jason. You know, today we're gonna be making some eggs. You know, got your eggs, got your cheese, and we need some milk. Ma, it's not dirty, but like, it's not dirty. It's kind of just clean. I have my sister right here who might be able to help me. Sitting down doing homework, but that's not important. The point is us making these eggs. So first you grab a couple eggs, you crack them, and no, of course don't get the shells into the bowl. Try to be careful. Notice that. And sometimes people might get shells in them, which is like you really don't want, because you don't be eating eggshells. And then you crack another egg, because you know. And then you mix it up with a fork. And then you need salt and pepper on the other side. Oh, where's the salt and pepper? Taylor, can you grab me the pepper, please? Mom, mix these eggs up. Thank you, Taylor. Put the whole thing in.
No, that's too much salt. No, Felix mixing it.
It's mixed enough.
No, it's not.
Don't mix it for me, Taylor. This is my project.
Can I at least show you?
No. Wait, can you look at the pot? Can you look at the pot?
It's not mixed enough.
I know that. Can you look at the pot though? What are you telling me? Now you pour the milk. Trust me, this is my project. I got it. Pour the milk. How much milk do you pour again?
Keep going. Good.
And then you mix it in with the milk. Oh yeah, by the way, we're making scrambled eggs. I forgot to tell you guys that.
That would have been a lot easier, but you know. It's supposed to be
And then pig fry.
like that.
I'm done scrambling them. So that should take about like 2 to 3 minutes, huh?
What do you put in it? Butter. So
I know. So it doesn't stick. You know cooking spray? Cooking spray? Really?
you can use butter.
Alright, look at the butter.
It's right there.
Okay, Taylor. Jeez. Taylor, that's not Taylor. Be quiet. How much butter should I use? Because much butter. Jeez, that's it. Only one. It's not even on. So when you mix it, you go like this. Just pour the butter around so like when you have your eggs on the surface, they don't stick to the surface. And yeah. And I'm gonna do it at this angle so you'll be able to see us making the eggs. Hey guys. And pass me spatula, please.
I don't like it.
Wow, it's so flat.
Yeah, I like the one with the Jaison.
What time's the game?
What game?
Picture game.
Actually, I know. I don't watch football.
Alright, so you guys are ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. You just jump. So we'll bring the camera over here so you can see. Yeah. I have to pour the eggs. And after, once you get the top for the egg, you just let it sit for like 5 minutes. You just let them sit. Now at this point, it's just a waiting game.
Is that facing this way?
Now at this point, it's just a waiting game. Come on, Taylor. See, as you see now, look at the results of the eggs. I mean, the cheese after. So as I said, they heard a gooey substance that technically, like, at this point, they're like between a solid and a liquid. For you, like you can say, because like they're not really like a liquid, but they're not really a solid. So I just call it a gooey substance. Now that should be done in like 5 minutes, per se. 3 minutes. Yeah. Now I need to grab a plate. Myself and serve myself some gooey eggs, guys. And you can do this.
Oh, Alex made good burnt eggs.
I don't remember that burnt, so this is how my eggs turned out. Not bad. You see as the cheese melts. Pretty good. And at the end of the video, I will enjoy these delicious eggs.